In today's video, we're doing a full review and tutorial of Base44, the AI app builder that's taking 2025 by storm. I'll show you exactly how Base44 works, how to build an app from scratch using AI, and we will find out whether it's really the best no-code AI app builder right now or not. So if you're looking to create an app for your business, portfolio, or startup without any coding skill, make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing first, what exactly is Base44? Well, Base44 is an AI-powered app builder that lets you create fully functional web and mobile apps simply by typing what you want. Instead of writing lines of code, you can describe your idea in natural language, and Base44 AI automatically generates the backend, frontend, and database setup for you. It's designed for startups, developers, and business owners who want to prototype or launch apps in days, not months. In order for you to log into your account, head over to any of the web browser and search for Base44 AI. Head over to the very first site. Once you're in the official page of Base44 AI, you need to click on Start Building at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials and you will be logged into your specific account. If not, create one with the help of your Google account. So, in this account right here, you can see under Recent Apps, I have created a landing page. I'll show you just quickly what this looks like, and importantly, I had Lovable create the exact same app. So Lovable is kind of main app builder that most people seem to be using, and I put it to the test compared to Base44 to find out if Base44 is better than Lovable and whether it is the best AI app builder out there currently. So I had to build a landing page for a software. This is the prompt I gave it. You can read it if you want, and from there you can see then plans the focus flow, which is the name here landing page. It goes over the key features. It creates a design approach and a structure. Then you can see the step it takes to create, in this case, the landing page. Editing the landing page, adding the component, adding features component, which asks for pricing and footer. So right here you can see the result. So what I'll exactly do is go to first version so I can also show you what it did after the enhancement that I asked for. So this is the first version right here, and this could, in my opinion, literally be a huge software that has a landing page like this or a website like this. In my opinion, I think it's absolutely beautiful, and I'm also going to show you what Lovable did with the exact same prompt. So you have the 3 feature card that I asked for right here with animations. As you can see, if I hover over them, they kind of highlight. Then you have the pricing which I asked for, so the free plan, then the pro plan, and the business plan. Now from there you have the footer. In the next version, I asked to add a few things. So in the first section, I wanted it to add a picture in the background and make it a bit darker. And I also asked to add other many modifications. Now regardless of if you think it looks better like this or like this, it did follow my prompt perfectly, which is very different from Lovable, which I'm going to show you. So right here you can see you have this section. Then this is the same with the features. Over here you can also see the contact section. So now I'm going to show you what Lovable did. Right here I'm going to go to the history. So here is the first landing page I asked it to build. And as you can see, it looks a bit similar, although I do still think Base44 looks better. I'll actually give you a desktop preview so you can compare them better. So this is Base44 and this is Lovable. In my opinion, definitely Base44 looks better than Lovable right here. If you scroll further down, still I think Base44 looks better. Then, if you go even further, you have the pricing right here. They look similar in many things, but I just think that design touches in Base44 are a bit better. If you just simply look at the pricing compared to Lovable right here to Base44, I think it's pretty clear that Base44 looks better. But then we had the enhancement. If I ask to add a picture in the background and make it a bit darker, and I ask a Lovable the same thing, see the refactor. Now you can see the hero. It basically didn't just change it, it actually made it lighter. It did not add a picture. It didn't do what I wanted to do, so Base44 went from this to this, which in my opinion doesn't necessarily look better, but it did what I asked for. So with the Lovable AI app builder, so it did kind of opposite of what I asked. And that is personally why I think that Base44 is the best app builder out there. In the first instant, it is already best, I think because it creates the best looking designs, but besides that, if you ask for an integration, a refactor, it actually does what you ask for without requiring tons of credit. It just built out exactly what you want it to do, and that is what you want from an AI app builder. And not with Lovable, it just kind of goes its own way, what it thinks is best and not what you ask for. So therefore, to give my honest review of Base44, I think it's the best app builder out there. And all of this I built completely for free. And that is even using only 1/12 of the monthly free credit that you get. So this right here cost me 2 credits. And if you look at their pricing, for just $20 per month, you get 100 message credits and 200 integration credit. But with 100 message credits, you can already build out a huge amount of your app. Then the builder plan gets you 250. The pro plan gets you 500 at $100 per month, and the elite plan gets you 1200 message credits and 50,000 integration credits. Now, if you do want to get the GitHub integration, connect a domain and get backend functions, which are pretty essentials. You will need to get the builder plan at $50 per month, but you can already get started with just building it out for free and later upgrading to starter, and then you can build out backend, connect a domain, and do GitHub integration for even exporting the code, and only then you would need to upgrade to the builder plan. So I would 100% try Base44. Also personally, I think it is the best AI app builder. It just does exactly what you want it to do. You have a few more examples of what it has built out here, and by the way, it's also very fast. It built out the landing page I asked for in within 1 to 2 minutes. Now what I asked for was more of front end and not really an app, but you can also for example have it build out a CRM, for example real estate agent. So if I just click enter right here, all of this will only cost me 1 message credit, and you get 25 of them for free. So I'll just show you what exactly it will build out to conclude this video. Again, if you see exactly what it will build, the key features to implement the design, language, choose the color it will use, and the accent out of that, you can see the app structure that it starts building it. Now while it's creating my app, I want to show you the integrations. So Base44 integrates with HubSpot, Explorium for B2B data, OpenAI, text-to-speech. It integrates with X11 Labs, and also through Zephyr you can integrate with over 600 other apps. So it's also very strong for integrations, especially being a newer app builder. While it is still being built out, it already have a good amount of essential integrations. So here it finished the real estate CRM, but even before I would try it, you can see from here now you can see the preview. What I really love about Base44 is that it actually builds everything out. You can see I can go to the clients, I can click on a client, and then also update the stuffs. With many of these other app builder, at face value, it really looks good, but if you actually start clicking around, pretty much nothing works. With Base44, that's different, and I feel like Lovable and a bunch of these other AI builder are just building out the bare minimum that looks good but doesn't function to keep us using for the long term. Whereas Base44 just built out everything that is things you wanted and actually makes it usable, which means that for the same amount of credits, you can build out so much more compared to, for example, Lovable, and it just works a lot better. You can also see different features in the navigation bar. Some of them are dashboard, properties, clients, viewings, and also commissions. It is very fun and easy to use. So personally, I would 100% recommend using Base44 whether you want to build out an entire app, a website, a building page. Whether you want to build, I think Base44 is the best way to do. So after overall testing, it's very much easy to use, beginner friendly, fast AI generation, real backend, plus live preview. It is also great customization options. But some of the complication with this website is there is limited offline editing, and also AI prompts sometimes need refining. But overall, it's one of the most advanced AI app builders available right now. Well, if this video really helped you, Give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Till then, see you in the next video.